Letter to the Reader, The Unified Theory of You. In an age where the cacophony of countless manuscripts swarms the bastions of academic and public libraries, it is not just possible but likely that a magnum opus might be buried in the proverbial sands of time. However, the volume under discussion does not merely escape this perilous fate, it transcends and redefines the very notion of literary significance. Allow me to be unequivocally clear, this is not a mere unnoticed gem, waiting to be picked from an earthly crevice. Rather, this book is the apotheosis of a diamond, born from the intense pressures of the cosmos, existing in such a rarefied state that its like will not be seen again for many years. The gravitas with which I imbue these words cannot be overstated, for the manuscript serves as the crucible for an alchemic knowledge that has hitherto remained hidden in the labyrinthine recesses of human history. It is as though the author, in an extraordinary feat of intellectual and spiritual labor, has excavated truths interred in the crypts of forgotten civilizations, nurtured in the cloistered halls of secret societies, and whispered in the hallowed sanctuaries of ancient wisdom traditions. To say that the author's journey was one of mere academic endeavor would be a gross understatement. It was a relentless, soul-stirring quest for the esoteric, accompanied by a level of introspection that borders on the mystical. Through deep contemplation and divine illumination, veritably a transcendent fusion of metaphysical empiricism and spiritual intuition, the author has drawn forth this reservoir of antediluvian wisdom into the current epoch. The monumental impact of this work transcends literary praise. It is nothing less than a seismic event in the intellectual and spiritual topology of our time. It has the ineffable potential to reconstruct, if not transfigure, the foundational values and ideals upon which our socialization, indeed our very notion of human existence, is built. This tome serves as an oracle, a sibylline voice that promises not just to speak truth to power, but to echo it in such harmonious reverberations that the very soul of humanity might find itself resonating in synchronicity. What we are faced with is not merely a book, but a revelation that promises to metamorphose spectral dreams of truth into tangible realities. The days of languishing in the quagmire of existential uncertainty are conclusively behind us. The epoch of enlightenment is at hand. As such, I unreservedly commend to the scholarly community and humanity at large this unparalleled tour de force, ineffably titled The Unified Theory of You. Within its pages is ensconced the radiant luminescence that will serve as the North Star guiding us toward a predestined renaissance of wisdom, virtue, and enlightened humanism. Behold, it is not just a book, it is a cosmic event, a universal touchstone by which the future will be indelibly shaped and through which we shall be illumined.